everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be finishing up the 30° north build. I'm going to be throwing in a Spectrum receiver, the new EcoPower 1/5 scale servos, and then I'm also get some race fuel in there so we can start it up and give it its first run. Okay, to power the servo and then the throttle linkage, I'll be using the brand new EcoPower WP860Ts. These are 1/5 scale size servos and they're brand new from EcoPower. They come in at a good price point of $105 USD, and I'll throw the specs right there up on the screen. Okay, so we have the servos installed, and these things are absolute beasts. Check out the speed and power of the steering servo. That is insane. Then I also got the same one. I set my endpoints for the throttle servo. So I got my throttle, then I also got my brake on here. We're gonna fill it up with some VP race fuel, and then we're gonna go take it out for its first rip. Okay, so braking procedure for these trucks is going to vary from owner to owner. Some people break them in, some people don't at all. It's your truck, you can kind of do whatever you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the first tank just be for braking procedure. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it up, I'm going to pull it till it pops, turn off the choke, and then I am going to let it run, let it idle for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to hit it with the gas for a little bit, and then once I get it on the ground, I'll be doing some different intervals of speed until I can go full throttle. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the like button. I got big things planned for this. I'm going to take it to the sand dunes, even got some jumps lined up for it. There's even a road gap over there that I've got my eye on for about the past 2 years. So make sure you guys stay tuned, make sure you guys subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great, awesome, and safe holiday weekend. See you guys in the next one.